If you have a locksmith in your life, or you are a locksmith and you just want a good excuse to go buy some toys and you want some ideas for Christmas, I've got a big video coming up soon. Here's just a teaser. We're going to have a big video on a bunch of cool Christmas ideas for locksmiths, but just right off the bat, LED work light. And this is a cool little addition that goes on top of your Milwaukee batteries. It's a USB charger, so you can have a full battery, charge up your cell phone or your flashlights or whatever. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You'll get notification when it's up. But just a quick teaser for Christmas. Get your locksmith in your life. Never have enough lights. So this is an LED work light from Milwaukee. This is a USB recharger. Goes on top of your battery. Can charge up your cell phone or your little USB rechargeable flashlights. So stay tuned. We got coming up in the very near future. We're going to have Christmas ideas for locksmiths. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.